In today's video, I'm going to show you how to type first in Canva and make it look polished with the letters ST appearing in a smaller raised superscript style. If you're designing invitations, certificates, or social media graphics and want your text to look more professional, this quick tutorial will help you do exactly that. Let's get started. First, open Canva and enter the project you want to edit. Once you're in your design, look over at the toolbar on the left side of the screen and click on the text button. This is your main tool for adding and editing text elements in any Canva project. After clicking the text button, select Add a text box. You'll see a new text field appear in your workspace, ready for typing. Inside that box, type the word first. You'll notice right away that Canva doesn't automatically make the ST smaller or raised, which is what we're going to fix next. Here's the trick. We're going to separate the ST from the number 1 so we can format it manually. Start by duplicating the text box you just made. To do this, click on the text box and choose Duplicate from the small menu that appears above it. Now you have two identical text boxes sitting on top of each other. Next, click on the second text box and delete everything except the letters ST. This isolates the part of the word that you want to style as superscript. Now go back to the first text box and remove the OST so that only the number 1 remains. At this point, you should have one text box with the number 1 and another text box with just the letters C. Now comes the alignment step. Click and drag the ST text box and move it right above and slightly to the right of the number 1. Adjust the position carefully until it looks balanced, as if the letters are floating above the number. You can zoom in to get a more accurate placement. Once the positioning looks good, let's adjust the size. Click on the ST text box and make the font smaller. Try around half the size of your main number. You can also reduce the line spacing slightly if needed to get that clean superscript effect. Now that both elements look right, select both text boxes at once. You can do this by clicking and dragging over them or holding the Shift key and clicking each box individually. When both are selected, look up to the toolbar and click on Group. Grouping locks the two text boxes together so they behave as one element. That means you can move, resize, or align them anywhere on your design without losing their placement. And that's it. You've successfully created the superscript ST in first inside Canva. You can use this same method for other ordinal numbers like second, third, or fourth. It's a simple workaround, but it gives your text a professional and polished look that Canva doesn't automatically provide. To recap quickly, you added a text box, typed first, duplicated it, separated the ST, resized and positioned it as superscript, then grouped everything together. Just a few small steps and you've turned basic text into something that looks refined and well designed. This technique is especially handy when creating event graphics, titles, or any design that uses numbers in a stylized way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and leave a comment if there's a specific feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy designing.